Kate here again. So today I've got a different product to have a chat about. These are the Nappyneedz wet bags. So very cool product, especially if you use cloth nappies, because what they are is a little laminated, basically it's polyester on the outside and a waterproof laminate on the inside. So if you're out and about using cloth nappies, you can put your wet nappies in here and take them home, or if you've got a child going to daycare, you can send this to daycare and they can put their wet nappies in there, zip it up and send it home. And really easy to wash. Basically, you just empty the nappies out in the washing machine and then just turn the bag, push the bag through inside out and then chuck it in the wash with the nappies. Real easy. So fantastic product, but that's not all it can be used for. You can also use these, say, whether you've got a child out of nappies or like going to school. These are fantastic as tog bags. So you can use them for, chuck them in your kids' school bag, and if they've been to swimming lessons, they can stick their wet togs in there, fire them in the school bag, and that will keep the school bag nice and dry. Lots of very cool little uses for these, but they do make a great waterproof bag. And they also do a small one as well. So the small one's really handy for reusable breast pads, but also if you're out and about, take your own wipes. So just dampen a couple of little cotton cloths, chuck them in here. This will keep everything around it dry, and then stick them in your nappy bag or in your handbag and take your own wet wipes out with you. So fantastic little wet bags. Easy to take around, easy to wash, nice and light. Perfect for daycare and swimming. And so thank you very much, Nappyneedz, for sending me these. Always like sharing your products with everybody. And if you want some more information, there'll be a link at the bottom of the video. So that's it from me today. Have a great day. See you next time.